Hello, good day, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Buongiorno, signori e signore. Adesso sono qui a Como, vicino al confine di Svizzera. Qui si chiama Valle dei Trevi. This place, I am here in Como, in Italy. The place is called Valle dei Trevi, in Trevi Valley. See how beautiful it is? Wonderful panorama. I am here for work. As I love nature, it happened that I come to this beautiful place. I just want to show you how beautiful this place look like. You see houses in the bush, inside the forest, and it's mountain inside the forest. You see houses here, hiding between, look at the mountain. Guardate le colline, here is 800 to 1,200 meters. This is what they say. Qui è 800 a 1200 mi pare, a Valle dei Trevi. Vedete quanto è bella, come vivono qui. Guarda la casa, dentro questo posto, all'interno, in giro. Bellissimo, bel posto. E questa casa dove sto io è 3 piani. È fatta in modo che puoi entrare in 2 piani senza fare scale. This house that I am staying is 3-story building, but believe me, because of the hill, you can enter in 1 story, in the first step, in the 4th story, then like the 2nd and the 3rd, without doing all the 3-step trekking. Let me see if I can show myself. Hello, here is me. Yeah, I'm having it's a very beautiful day. We are in June. Hello, we are in June. It's like today it's like 6. Today is 6. I hope so. I didn't watch, but yes, today I just feel like filming here. This is the onda, questa è terra, dove è terra, io sono sopra mentre sto filmando. Questo appartiene alla proprietà dove sto lavorando. Guarda che bello, come sono belli questi posti, guarda come sono belli. Look at how beautiful is this house, is this place. It's really like a post. So beautiful. Look at the mountain there, the mountain all over. Thank you for watching me.